We want to make a hot pot.
Don't let money. What do you know? Oh my gosh, I lost you.
Yeah, thank you. That's right.
Does he know? I don't know. I couldn't even tell.
This is like Trisha.
Yeah, I'm like getting nervous. I don't know why. I'm serious.
You're the first thing, man. Shit. Damn, you're shocking. What of it? You're sick of this kid. Take me out, bro. Take me out. Got me, bro. You got me. Surely it's down. Surely it's down.
Oh my gosh, you got it. Okay, can I say it?